I went to sleep, ne? Mara ke a palelwa. There's this other girl by the name of Vutomi Chabalala. That girl, na bereka ko Polokwane, na he ke mmona. So, ngwanyana Nancy pisho gore like, o tlang supply ka meriri. Ke order from yena. Na bile ke odile mo yena, I think, ka 2022. Ke moje ke re mo yena ke re meriri kae ke moromele vele tšhelete ke re unsupply ka meriri. Firstly unromele meriri e methine ya textile e bed e lo reng o e rekile gana kwa Market Street, just that I can't mention the shop cause ke tšhabo suiwa, but then ko Market Street la tsa mo ba rekisha meriri ka mo rekang di happys a reke meriri ka kwa ke mmoje ke re problem ke nga re no supply ka indirela mathata ke re okay sharp. Vutomi re gopela tletsa guys ngwanyano e le ka no mmona ke gopela re no re le re botse because nna re ka spalle ko re ka meriri wena re tsepisha meriri ya maka o posted di TikTok o re quality eng o re attract re berekele wena o tše tšhelete tša rena o tšhabe guys di amplane cause now I'm not the only one. I was so disturbed after seeing video ya Khadi Faith on TikTok kare yo at least I'm not the only victim. So re gopela re ifile mmona ngwanyano weng shame cause wa ke fitla cause she's claiming that she's staying in Joburg whereas she owes us our money. Our nyaka tšhelete ya rena. It's very painful. You work hard for your money and then someone just come and take. O kitira clever Vutomi patela bana ba bangwe. Nna ke tlo go bija vele o patela bana ba bangwe we want our money re berekele wena. You claim more you relocated to Johannesburg. Ka mo sa le gona re gopela tšhelete tša rena guys re thušeng re humaneng scammer se sa ngwanyana se ke dia ka re ke clever e le re o tlotse ba ropa ko zaneng no ska tla re nyela wena.
Dumelang bo warra le la khate ke sire go gopela le nyakisha mothušo ba re ke Vutomi Chabalala mototopudi wa Semaumau o to ke dira clever thina se ya sebenza la wena o to ke dira clever o di go to re scammer nyakisha mototopudi sho wena Vutomi Chabalala ngiyakufuna sisi wami ngiyakufuna and ngifuna ukuthi ukuyenzela ikhakhathi unilabalisa kakhulu wena mina imali ngiyayifuna nyakisha mothušo uthembisa ke re o mototopudi wa re blocker wena o gitsira clever ke ya go nyaka ke anje ke katse ke nyaka le goto go nyaka o phela ke ya go nyaka pela le nyakishe mothušo ke to bona ke ya go nyaka because wena a ke le go to gafa ke le go to pengisa ko wena ke ya go nyaka Vutomi Chabalala ya Vutomi Chabalala o gitsira clever ke re wena o gitsira clever ke ya go nyaka ek suki ke ya go funa.
Batho lena ngwanyana o ileng hore o jele 60k ya batho a whole 60k 60,000 ya batho a scam bana ba batho ha fetsa batla ka di excuse tse di lame la mitsi e re ke le botseng ditaba he nna fatse go tlhalosetse tšhomo. Okay, so there's a girl by the name ya Vutomi a ke tlo fitla mabitso because o scamile bana ba and I'm also a victim. So there's this girl called Vutomi Chabalala ne, and I guess you all know the girl. Only the shop or I don't know the shop or whatever ya rekisetsang go yona go Plain Street o bereka Polokwane ne, and so like o rekisa meriri and I okay, we didn't know who was scam about ne, we didn't know. By the way, nna ke recommended to someone o very reliable. I know that person personally and like one promotela also. So like okay fine, I don't know about batho ba bangwe hore bona ba mo grele yang wanna say. So okay fine, get on any meriri quality o rekisa meriri o rekisa di frontale and all that. So like okay hona le batho hore ba odile ka October. I ordered in November. There are also people who ordered in December and January, right? So girly abusi di order at least the order za batho nahana no ki January and ka October ba odile ka October. Okay fine, I'm so sorry, the texted and distract. Okay fine. Okay, so girly, let me just try to talk about my situation personally. Hore na unkirile ing ne ke sa bolele ka tsa batho ba bangwe, I'll just add there and there ka information ke kirile go batho ba. Okay fine, una girly ke tsa fetsa order that was in November, mathomong a November, and then like she told me right order how you'll get it in 5 days. Okay fine, I was so happy. Okay, plus the hair is quality and all that, plus ke recommended ke motho no kamiti and I want to promote it. I know like I saw the hair ko motho o ilong o recommended. Okay, so okay fine, 5 days ya feta a week passes, and then ho feta beke ya boithu, like I ask her hore we rahalang and all that. She never communicates unless when o thomo rohan. So like I can also we rahalang Arabi, but obviously status. And then like when you start freaking out already, you bring back my money. Hey, you're a liar. And gonna tomorrow reply. I know, like the order. So all this time she was procrastinating. Arisendela like a tracker order name. Bobo to Ursendela whatever screenshots out tracker order. Says one or order how you go kai. Okay, cool. So no come down. What will come down? Yana for baking. Bake we fit. Out like nothing until our funeral go have. And like make one get status or like lose papa. So like we had to like be patient with her. Remote level talk like understand that and obviously understand. So now I just told her what I get what's taking and then okay, fine. So okay, so she went home. I look up papa 2 weeks next. And then there were people on Facebook who are post about it. This one is a scammer. Wait, a poster we don't no matter what's up I understand business Mona papa how okay, sharp apparently girl a whole 60k putisa hore batho ba sendela bang tšhelete hore ebe e fitlhe 60k o sa place the order. Make it make sense. So okay, fine. Gele o tsere a whole 60k ya o tswela go bathong ya batho 60k ya batho fela ne o tsere o re yena o bolokile papa hae. She never told anyone. Nanetso procrastinator. Anti I mitlole motle. So now I ask all I'm recommending going all mo promote like girl is happy ngwanyana how like a re tshware pila ho dira so. Yena o mpotsa o itse keng? Hape motho o ka mahara ha mathata o re yena o tsere tšhelete o bolokile papa hae. And she doesn't tell us. Ke tšhelta reng. Okay, fine. Ha re tsweng mo ne. And now I confront her about it. Until how do you bury your father? Like how do you mix business and personal life? Like for heaven's sake. And we never scammed anybody. We never used without okay. Maybe I don't have a right to say that because I'm young and maybe responsibility of papa can but still I mix business le pleasure. Like we don't mix business in the personal life, it's arena. Okay, so okay. Fine. Gele or what's your life to clear her name, blah 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 and yada. And then we wait for the live, the following day over live, you know, all straight back. Okay, or you know, guys, help comment masepamo. Kitloli block. I'll block you guys. Hey, and still you being rude, but okay, and then someone on can't do hating. Gele or you know, hey, when I come hara situation like and then something like this happens. No, but why you sat alone? Someone kids do all mutual thing. What's alone? Yeah, okay. Haba mutisona live ya hey aina le moholo yirile a kitselo ro clear name inara eng hona go cause there's literally nothing that she said ya ro thusa. And then after we a group chat, okay? After group chat o white team ho re sa bolela a ho bolele motho. So okay, wait you know try about yeah. So okay, the girl that recommended me to her because I'm the one who's recommending people to hear, understand? Then what's rireng? Now I go to the police. I go with my friend, police station or Mokidulam, Tef. I go there, get go Twarisa about this. So I'm there, go Twarisa for Nike one, and we don't want to halangare kisa thing. I might serious because o bala tšhelete nyane bana ke re ke iwane beno pila tšhelete la ira 60k here le bo botlhe like he tlhakang. Okay, so ke bona mo abantse serious, and then I tell this girl kre apa abantse serious. This girl got like an idea hore let's create a group chat le banyana ba aba skemileng bo botlhe. because like she's not communicating. Now the last time Kemo texted o Joburg, she also told this girl that recommended me to her o Joburg. And then there's a post that she posted and someone about comment about motho o ko kae batho ba go habo ba ko giane ba re o ko giane gelo tshebetso ko hao ka di chelete tsa batho. So we create a group chat and I think someone mistakenly added her create a group because I saw her go group but after a few seconds ka bona remove. So I think she realized to recreate a group gelo o ya o bula group ela engwe o tshomonyo gore itipoledi so like ha bona nkare le thomo bala le thomo kwata le thomo ira kona ira nkare wa itsotsoropa o nyoko di thinta ka pele o nyoko ira something and I don't know ira like since October ira the same thing I are ke tlo ira eng I'll sendela maybe a trackile order e ya how hore o come down for week after beke e home tsenela ha putla ka excuse engwe after beke bia until fitla today mpotse today ke tsheno ware ke di kae ke di 20 mang but so ba order ka October na ibile can wait I can understand so go group chatting yo batho ba rohana ba bolela taba tsa hore he wait so ba believe go ntsa dingaka le ding or he e ka se fele pila he in like there are a lot of people ba rohana ke di voice note ke di batho ba kwatile ne and like they tell okay, we talk. I'm a group. I wanted to say they tell me. No, we talk. I'm a group. And what do we do here? And I came with a suggestion out. How about we expose her because maybe some way somehow we could get help somewhere. How about we expose her and if it's a remote because I think case serious if we are really 10 or really 20 like 60k obviously so maybe really 20 30k I don't know maybe really 20 I don't know the other day fapan odile frontale 2k 1.5 I understand so and I tell them, how much and then go group but no, when not because you have a lot of followers, please. Hope we're not omo expose. And like now my problem with exposing her here on TikTok was because I cannot tag her. You bring my money, you send me my money, or I expose you. I'm blocker on TikTok. So right now, if you know where Vutomi is, if you know where Vutomi Chabalala is, or if there's anything that you can do to help guys, and then more because now block like please, we need help. We need help. We need help. We need our money back. We need but what yo like.
Hello sanibonani guys, welcome to Spain News. Kunzima guys. This thing yokuthi there's lack of jobs in South Africa. Like in Africa as a whole, it will land people in hot water because people are just turning into wrong things. This beautiful pretty woman right here by the name of Vutomi is apparently one of the biggest scammers in South Africa. Losisi ugu scammer without even feeling guilty, and she continues with her profile very nicely. And I know wherever she is, she's still scamming people because yeah, wow, things are happening, guys. This one, when you order from her, we are order, and then she'll start telling you stories, she'll start explaining, she'll come with ABCD after you have made the payment. And trust me, after that, she will block you because obviously you start demanding for your money or refund or your hair. So please be careful, guys. Watch out, please. This lady by the name of Vutomi, be careful. Make sure you are very much vigilant when it comes to buying things online. I love you guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.